Hello, WonderGuessers! Welcome back to another exciting adventure with plants. Today, we are going to explore something super beautiful and often sweet smelling. Flowers. Wow! Look at all these amazing colors. Red, yellow, purple, pink. These are all flowers. See how different they all look. Some have big petals, like this sunny sunflower. And others have delicate petals, like this pretty rose. Bees love flowers because they have a sweet treat inside called nectar. As they drink the nectar, they also help the flower make new seeds. It's like a little thank you. After the flower is done blooming, sometimes it makes seeds. These tiny seeds can grow into new flower plants. Isn't that amazing? We see flowers in so many places. In gardens, in parks, and even sometimes growing wild. They make our world so much more colorful and happy. That's all for today's flower adventure. WonderGuessers, join us next time as we explore another wonderful type of plant. Bye for now.